In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Family Safety blocking Chrome. If Chrome won't open or it closes immediately with a message about restrictions, Windows may be enforcing family safety through a background service. We're going to turn that service off and make sure it stays off so Chrome can run normally. You'll need to be on a Windows account that can change system services. Start by opening the search bar on your computer. Type Services, then open the Services app that appears. This window lists the background processes Windows can start automatically. We're interested in the item that controls family features and app restrictions. Scroll down to the P section and look for Parental Controls. Double-click it to open its properties. In the middle of this window, you'll see Startup Type. Change this to Disabled. This setting tells Windows not to launch the Parental Controls service during boot, so it won't silently reactivate in the background. Click Apply, then click OK to close the Properties window. At this point, you've prevented the service from starting in the future. Next, let's make sure it's not still running right now. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in a simplified view, switch to the full view, then go to the Services tab. Find Parental Controls in the list. If its status shows running, right-click it and choose Stop. That stops the service immediately for the current session, which removes the restriction without waiting for a restart. If it already shows stopped, you are good to go. Now test Chrome. Launch Google Chrome and see if it opens and browses as expected. If Chrome still seems blocked or you are unsure the change took effect, restart your computer to let the change fully apply. A restart ensures Windows doesn't reload the Parental Controls service and honors the disabled startup setting across the system. A quick note for context: the Parental Controls service is part of Windows Family Safety features, designed to limit apps and web content. Disabling it removes those limits on this device. Only do this on a computer you manage and where those restrictions aren't required. In some managed environments, policies can reapply after sign-ins or updates, so the restart step is important to confirm the change persists. Once Chrome opens normally, you are all set. You've stopped the service for now and prevented it from starting automatically, which should resolve the family safety block on Chrome. Thanks for watching.